Today, I'm going to show you how I use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to build a high converting email campaign for a real mortgage broker. This is exactly what I do for clients who pay me, and I'm pulling back the curtain so you can see the whole process. If you're a mortgage broker or real estate pro who wants campaigns like this done for you, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some great topics, right? So I can use this to kind of start the brainstorming session. Okay, so the results are coming in. Let's take a look at this. I'm not in love with any of these. Okay, so this is the prompt I'm going to use. Write a short email about investing in real estate. DSCR loans could be the key. I'm going to ask it to add the call to action that they can get instant rate quotes from our automated messenger rate quote system, because we've got that set up on our website. So it's so cool because in my integrated email marketing system, I can go ahead and put a button that'll bring people right back to my website, which has lots of benefits. I'm also going to put in here, add that they can use our mortgage calculator so that that CTA is in there as well. And I can put a button that brings people to our mortgage calculator on our website. Now I'm going to have it put each of these CTAs into its own section so I can separate it with a CTA button block in the email. Okay, this looks good. Let's go ahead and start building the email. All right, so I'm in the messaging and workflow section in the campaigns. Let me go ahead and hit create campaign. And now I'm just going to go ahead and enter this. This is going to be the DSCR campaign name. Hit next, next. Now I'm going to go ahead and start this from scratch in the drag and drop builder. Now we're just going to use the drag and drop builder to go ahead and drag over sections from the block menu and then go ahead and start customizing them with different colors, calls to actions, different blocks, all kinds of stuff. And now from here, what we're going to do is go ahead and click next, and you'll see I can go ahead and select my audience from the lists that I've uploaded before into my CRM, which is included in my website and email platform. And from here, I've just got to finish up the campaign settings by giving up my subject line, the from and reply to email addresses and information there. And now from here, I can go ahead and either send a test email, which I strongly recommend to make sure that my button links are working properly, or I could just go ahead and hit next and get this puppy sent out. So if you're a mortgage pro or a real estate pro and you'd like email campaigns like this, or a full website that turns traffic into appointments, go to fastpages365.com and message me. Now, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you can check out our free academy at fastpages365.com.